Anarchy, and I have a very exciting, fun, interesting, hopefully interesting video for you guys today. I have been invited to the Anastasia Beverly Hills Halloween party, which I was hoping for. Oh my god, I'm so happy about this. So this shouldn't be a big deal, but it is to me because this party is like pretty big. Like Anastasia invites like all the major influencers and stuff, and everyone always has like these really amazing costumes and they have these really great photo opportunities. And ever since I got added to the list, my only goal has been to get invited to this stupid party, because I realized, wait, I'm an influencer. I live in LA, so I can actually go, and I'm on the freaking list, so maybe, just maybe, there's a chance I could get invited. And I was right. Hallelujah, praise Jesus. I will say, it seems like what they did was they invited all the A-list like people that they definitely wanted to invite, like all the big influencers, and then once some of them said no or they couldn't make it or whatever, they started to trickle down and invite smaller influencers. I don't care. I have my invite. I don't care how it happened. I don't care if it was a mistake. I have my stupid invite, so I'm going. The party is tomorrow night. It's in West Hollywood. I already figured out my costume a long time ago. If you guys remember, the video that I posted last week was the I spent way too much money on Disney princess costumes. That was partially just in case I got invited. I ended up getting invited like a few days before that video, and I had to order the costume, so it got here around this time at the beginning of the month. So I ordered that. I don't know why I'm gesturing with this. I ordered that costume and all of those costumes just in case I got invited. Originally I wanted to be Brandy's Cinderella for the Halloween party, but I ended up getting impatient and I just posted that costume anyway. I wanted whatever I wore to the Halloween party to be something I hadn't worn before. So I'm going to be wearing the pink Ariel gown because the new Little Mermaid movie with Halle as Ariel is coming out, and I really am excited for it. And so I thought, oh, why not just show a black Ariel now in the big old pink dress, because I love the big old pink dress. I've always loved that dress. Like, I've always really liked that dress, so when I realized there's a reason for me to wear it, I was like, ooh, wait, I'm gonna do that. I'm talking a million miles a minute because I'm so excited, but I just wanted to kind of vlog my whole getting ready process with you guys. It's the night before. I'm like just up making TikToks, so I have full makeup on, so I figured I might as well shoot my intro and outro right now. But things I have to do tomorrow are my nails, because they're still not done. I have to do my makeup for the party, which I'll probably just record and then cut in any interesting bits of me talking. I'm not gonna like do a tutorial of it, but I might just come in with some interesting points, which you guys will see in a second. I still have to style the wig. I might document that process a little bit, but I'm probably gonna be super stressed tomorrow, so I don't know if I'll actually get to it. And I have to assist my +1 in getting ready. I'm bringing Chris, he's gonna be Eric, and knowing him, that's gonna be a whole day thing, getting him ready for that. Like, I have to straighten his hair and help him with his costume and figure all of that nonsense out. So this is gonna be a whole day. I have to also get into my costume, which is a whole thing, because there's like a whole corset and it's big. I have to walk around the stupid party in that big costume, and then I'll show also as much of the party as I'm allowed to or can or willing to, because I'm gonna be hopefully having fun. But I do want to actually try and vlog at least some of this, because this is such a cool, interesting, fun, once-in-a-lifetime kind of thing, and I'm really excited. I got invited. This was my goal. I don't think you guys understand how much this was my goal. Like, from the moment I got added to the list, I was like, I'm going to the stupid party. The timer is going off that's telling me I need to go do things. Oh my god, wait, why am I getting text messages? Can you tell I'm stressed? I'm stressed. Anyway, with that in mind, let's just do a nice little transition into tomorrow, because I'm gonna go to sleep in a second. Okay, so it's currently 4:20. No one make a joke about that. Ignore how dirty the rest of my apartment is, but here's the dress. It's waiting for me. I just finished the wig. Again, ignore how dirty the rest of my house is. I'm like in death mode right now. But I just finished the wig. It looks actually perfect. I'm gonna style it more when it goes on my body. The Grwm shop actually just sent me this big old box of skincare stuff, and I have some stuff I already planned on using, but I'm definitely gonna use this spa headband and these under eye patches as part of my like skin routine for right now.
too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even know it's me. You gotta feel me. Whatever do, just feel it.
Okay, makeup time. So one weird thing I've started doing is mixing the Milk Hydro Grip Primer and the Fenty Matte Primer. I don't know why, but it's amazing. Also, I bought this backup powder because people online were talking about it and it's amazing. I got Golden Bronze. It's the Hydro Mist powder. It's like literally amazing and it feels like water when it goes on your skin. I have to do it over again. Ariel. I was gonna do red brows because it's Ariel. And this is why we got ready early.
Too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even know it's me. You gotta feel me. Whatever do, just feel it.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As you can tell, I'm still recording this the night before everything, so I don't know if anything interesting happened. Hopefully some interesting stuff did happen. But if you guys like this video, please go ahead and give it a like. If you guys want to see more content like this or are interested in me and my dumb face, go ahead and subscribe. You can follow all my socials. They are listed on the end card and they are in the description. Leave a comment, let me know what your favorite part of the video was. Just talk to me. I like reading your comments. I actually do read all the comments. I don't respond to all of them because sometimes I'm tired, but I do read all of them and I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the love you guys have given me over the years. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!